Twitter can be a powerful tool when used in the correct way. Hello, Baxter Cribbs here with you, coming from my home office in Blackshear, Georgia. And today I want to share with you a few facts about Twitter and how you can use it to grow your business. Now, if you have not done so, before we begin today, I'd like to ask you if you would to subscribe to my YouTube channel here. That way you won't miss out on any of the things that I have coming up in the future, writing new videos as I learn. I share things with you, and you can do this by clicking on the little red button below that is down below this video right here on this YouTube channel, and that way we can see one another in the next video. Now, there was a young family, a husband and wife, if you will, and one of them had a multi-six-figure job, but the problem was he was always gone on the road, so never got time to spend at home with his wife and his baby. And so just a few months ago, he retired from that job and went full-time in network marketing thanks to a simple three-step Twitter formula. And that is that couple right there, Todd and Leah Ray. Now, as I said, Twitter can be a powerful tool when it is used in the correct way. But the usual problem is, who has time to figure out the correct way? Trial and error, trial and error. You know how it goes. Always something to trial until you finally figure it out. Well, this couple has figured it out for you and for me, of course, and they want to share this with you for free. Now, why Twitter? Well, let's go through about 7 different reasons here and give them to you. Number 1 is it is easy to drive traffic, to build your brand, and to get leads with Twitter. Number 2 is you can generate 4,000 plus new followers every month. Number 3, you can generate 5,000 plus visits to your blog every month with Twitter. Number 4 is you can drive traffic to your YouTube page and take it to rank number 1 in a very short time from Twitter. Number 5 is Twitter gives you the biggest bang for your buck, and that definitely will put a smile on your face and money back in your pocket. Number 6, Twitter does not require paid ads to get big results. Number 7, Twitter is one of the only major social media platforms where you can do automated traffic and lead generation without paid advertising. That, my friends, is 7 powerful reasons to use Twitter. And here's 3 more reasons why you should get this free training. Number 1, you will learn how to set up your Twitter profile and page with proven top earner strategies to make it work right. Number 2 is you will learn cutting-edge social media tactics. They like to call it ninja tactics. And number 3 is you will learn how to use ultimate leverage for your business. That is, you will learn what other little tools to add to it to make it work the best for you while you're even away from it. Now, my friends, it is time to get started. Get your free training today by clicking the link below, and not this one, but this looks just like this. In the description box down below this video, you will find this very link that will take you to where you can download or get your free training to be able to use Twitter in your business. My friends, Twitter is a big powerhouse when it's used correctly. So use the power. Click the button, click the link, and get your free training. Also, if you have not done so, remember to subscribe to my channel here, and also some other videos here that you might enjoy as well. And we will see you next time on the next video. Thank you.